Hi, Arri.
Hi.
What do you got?
A present I bought at the store and remote control.
A present? You bought at the store?
Yeah.
And a remote control? Wow, can you sit down so everybody can see what you got?
Let's go open it.
Let's go open it. I'm so excited.
I'm breaking it.
You're breaking it. It's amazing. Whoever bought you that must really love you, huh? Whoa.
Look at my suit, guys.
Look at Arri's sleeping clothes. He is so happy. His brother gave it to him, right?
Yep. My big brother Aiden.
His big brother Aiden. He is very nice. Always helping Arri. Giving him everything he needs. Always taking care of you. Right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
look at this.
Show us how it works. What kind of sound it makes?
Look at this sound.
Can you make a sound? Okay, let's make it closer to you so everybody can see it. Closer to you. Closer to you. There you go. Oh no, that remote control. I already made the remote control. So how slow can it go? Make it slow. That's slow. Seems to be fast still. Can you make it slow?
I'll show you. Top speed.
Can you make a sound effect?
Top speed. Top speed.
Top speed. We like watching Top Gear.
Yeah.
Well, it's not Top Gear anymore. It's Grand Tour.
And look at this trick.
Whoa. That is so cool. Arri made that car and he sent it to himself as a surprise.
I bought it.
Oh, you bought it. I'm sorry. You did great picking it, Bubba. What else?
I
What?
really want to buy this. This one costs $1 million. This costs 1,000,000.
1,000,000?
Yeah,
Man, you must be very rich, huh?
yeah. But I have 2,000.
1,000?
Yeah, that's a
And-
lot. And I bought it.
Yeah. Can you buy me a real car?
No.
No?
We can buy we can buy a yellow pool all it opens up the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be nice if you can buy me a yellow Ferrari. I would like that.
If we get 100 million money and then we can buy it.
Yeah, I don't even have one. How much more? It will take me forever to get a $1 million. Can I just count the one then? Can I get a Ferrari then?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this power. It
Yeah.
charges up. What?
Yeah, let's see. Charges up in air.
Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop.
That's an interesting charging stuff.
Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop.
All right, now it's all charged up. Okay, wrap it up.
What?
That means we're almost done with our video. What else are you gonna say?
What's out?
You're gonna say thank you for watching.
Firebomb!
Firebomb.
Firebomb! Firebomb!
Whoa. Wow, that is so cool.
That's it. Plays out 2 kids in a pod.
Yeah, those are 2 kids in a pod, huh?
It can easily move it.
Wow, very strong car you got in there, Bubba.
Yeah, it goes so fast. It goes so fast because I can push it.
Alright, you say thank you for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please.
You say make sure you subscribe so you can always watch Arri and all his silliness, right?
Yep.
Watch Arri and his brother and all our other stuff that we always do. Say bye for now.
Bye.